Editorial paragraph published in Dan News. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer. Professionals Stenographers Academy, Mia Chanu. 100 word per minute speed. Ready? Start. The United States and India have signed a basic exchange and cooperation agreement which is expected to boost their bilateral defense and military ties at a time when India is facing a tense standoff with China. Full stop. American Secretary of State and Defense Secretary flew into New Delhi to sign the pact with their India counterparts. Full stop. Basic exchange and cooperation agreement has finalized the completion of our pacts of a strategic nature between the two countries. Full stop. It will give India access to classified geospatial data as well as critical information that has military application. Full stop. The regional tour by these senior US officials, which has included visits to Sri Lanka and Maldives, is aimed at countering growing Chinese influence. Full stop. In this respect, the US Secretary of State raised the issue of India's border tension with China and expressed solidarity with New Delhi. Full stop. In Sri Lanka, the US official called China a predator. Full stop. The Chinese foreign minister responded by saying Mr. Pompeo's accusations reflected his Cold War mentality and urged him to stop sowing discord between China and regional countries as well as undermining the regional peace and stability. Full stop. New para. The US may have its strategic reasons to block Chinese influence in the region, but it should be well aware of the complexities that are waved into interstate regional dynamics here. Full stop. Cozying up to India is one way in which Washington wants to resist the domination of China, but this has a direct impact on its relations with Islamabad. Full stop. Within the larger domain of superpower rivalry, Pakistan has followed a well-calibrated policy to maintain constructive relations with both China and the US. Full stop. This suits us and there is no reasons why we would want to weaken our ties with one power in favor of the other. Full stop.